Well, we're starting off April. Today is Friday, April 1st, 2022. Start a bike ride at 10:59 a.m. I'm riding the Linsky R300 bike today. The weather at the start of the bike ride, 69 degrees, a few clouds. Wind is out of the east at 12 miles an hour. Today's route, I'm going to go north through Porter, New Caney to FM 1485, then loop back down south through Valley Ranch, Briar Tree, Oakhurst, and then back to Kingwood. Probably 31, maybe 32 miles. Riding west on Soaring Winds Lane in Woodridge Forest. I've been thinking this is the first bike ride this week going north. Last time I went north was last Sunday, but I didn't go as far as I'm going to go today. It's unusual for me not to go this direction at least twice a week. I moved from the US 59 northbound frontage road over to Loop 494 via Eagle Drive by New Caney High School. Wildflowers just starting to bud, blooms to bud. Making the U-turn underneath US 59 I-69 to start heading back south to Valley Ranch Parkway. May have a little headwind or side wind on the way back. Climb back up to the level there. Oh, Valley Ranch Parkway and Texas 99 Grand Parkway. A little circle here so I can capture these bright flowers. Some over there too. Riding southeast on Valley Ranch Parkway, headed to FM 1314. A little bit of side wind from the left side. Can't believe my average speed is 14.5 miles an hour. That's good. Flag up there shows you the wind strength. Riding south on the US 59 frontage road, approaching Kingwood Drive where I'll make a U-turn and then go northbound